In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to submit your Weebly website to Google using Google Search Console. This is a crucial step to ensure that your site can be discovered by Google, improving your visibility and ensuring all your hard work on building your website pays off. So let's get started, shall we? First, you'll need to navigate to Google Search Console. You can do this by typing Google Search Console into your browser or simply clicking the link provided in the video description. Google Search Console is a powerful tool that helps you monitor and maintain your site's presence in Google search results. It's like your website's connection to Google, providing valuable insights into how your site is performing online. Once you're on the Google Search Console page, you'll see a button labeled Start Now. Click on that, and you'll be asked to log into your Google account if you aren't already. It's essential to sign in using the Google account associated with your site or the account you want to manage your website with. This ensures that you have the correct permissions to verify and manage your website through the console. After logging it, it's time to add your Weebly site to the console. To do this, you will need to paste your site's URL into the designated field. Make sure to enter the exact URL as it appears in your browser, including HTTPS or HTTP plus the www if applicable. This accuracy is important because it tells Google exactly which version of your site you want to index. Once you've pasted that URL, proceed by clicking the Continue button. At this point, the console will prompt you to verify ownership of your site. This step is vital, as it ensures that only authorized individuals can access the performance data and make changes. Google offers several methods for verification, such as uploading an HTML file to your site, adding a meta tag, or connecting through a domain name provider like GoDaddy. For Weebly users, using the meta tag method is often the simplest. You will receive a meta tag code, which can be easily added to your Weebly site's header through the Weebly editor. After you've completed the verification process, your website is now connected to Google Search Console. This connection might take a few days to start showing data, but once it starts, you'll have a wealth of information at your fingertips. From search queries bringing people to your site to potential issues affecting your site's visibility. And that's all there is to it. Congratulations, you've successfully submitted your Weebly website to Google. Keep an eye on Google Search Console for insights and updates, and happy website managing. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more handy tips and tutorials.